Hi, my name is Lan. I'm now in Flagstaff Gardens in the center of Melbourne. This is one of the places I know well because it's close to where I live and I would often go for walks, but never discovered from the perspective of an educator or as a child. As Anne Pellow described in her article, it's challenging to see the familiar with new eyes, as if for the first time, and this familiar place brought with new energy and enjoyment as we discovered new unexpected details and new insights upon new observation. In observing with a new child's perspective, I discovered many new things and interesting things. Children have a natural curiosity, inquisitiveness, exploratory, and logical thinking. Inquiring is a human instinct, especially when children are inquisitive about things and phenomena in nature. This garden is located in the center of the city, so the sound of cars keep in ear. Lying in the grass to feel and listen to the wind blowing through the leaves. Let the children close their eyes to listen to the wind, the sound of the pine waves, or the sound of the birds and insects, encouraging them to look for the source of the sound. Encourage children to imitate the sounds or to stimulate the observation and increase the sensory stimulation. Reusing and recycling materials is an exciting way to maximize this resource we have and support children's creativity, says Julia Holden. Nature contains a wide variety of materials and tools that can be used, such as seeds, sticks, leaves, bark, stone, flower, and so on. These materials come in a variety of shapes, texture, color, size, and quantities, which can be great for exploring science and math with children that interests them. Math is never about arithmetic, but about the magical language that describes nature. I try to use children's height for observation and find that things on the ground from children's perspective seems to be easier to be noticed. The dandelion flowers on the ground bloom in patches, which extend to how dandelion spreads, letting children experience blowing on a dandelion and observing where the seeds go. This will lead to thinking about the process of the seed life spreading. And the butterflies floating on the flowers are also an interesting way of life spreading, leading children to observe how butterflies stay on the flowers, take away the pollen and spread. This leads children to understand the life science intuitively. It's easy to get into the habit of seek novelty, allowing children to have the brief encounters with many places, experiences that are too short to allow them to understand the depths and only scratch on the surface. Educators have to be alert to this phenomenon. Nature changes over time and with the season and weather, and we can invite children to make many observations at different time periods. This can lead to a greater understanding of nature and help to develop a sense of ecological identity.